Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. When you think of Japan's economy, what comes to mind? For many, it's the image of a powerhouse that dominated the 80s, followed by the infamous lost decades of stagnation. But is that still the full story? Well, things are changing, and Japan's economy might be on the verge of its biggest comeback in a generation. Let's break down what's really going on. For about 30 years, Japan wrestled with deflation. That's when prices continuously fall, which sounds good for your wallet, but is actually terrible for economic growth. People delay spending, thinking things will be cheaper tomorrow, and companies stop investing. This created a cycle of low growth and stagnant wages that seemed impossible to break. The government and the Bank of Japan tried everything, from massive spending to ultra-low interest rates, but nothing seemed to stick for the long term. So what's different now? A few key things. First, after decades of deflation, Japan is finally seeing sustained inflation. Prices are rising, which is encouraging companies to invest and, crucially, to raise wages. In fact, Japanese companies have recently agreed to the largest pay hikes in over 30 years. This is a huge deal because it means more spending power for ordinary people, which fuels the economy from the ground up. Second, the Japanese stock market is on fire. The Nikkei 225 index recently smashed records that have stood since the bubble era of 1989. This isn't just hype. It's driven by strong corporate profits and a renewed interest from global investors who see Japan as a stable and undervalued market. There's a big push for Japanese companies to be more shareholder-friendly, unlocking value that's been trapped for years. Of course, Japan still faces major long-term challenges, like its aging population and a massive national debt. These are serious hurdles that won't disappear overnight, but the mood is shifting from one of resignation to one of cautious optimism. The combination of rising wages, a booming stock market, and a strategic shift in corporate governance is creating a powerful new narrative. Japan isn't just waking up. It might be starting a whole new chapter. What do you think? Is this the real deal for Japan's economy? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the global economy. See you next time.